We are heading out for another adventure. Kind of last minute. I think we decided around 11 o'clock this morning we were gonna head out. Going north. Just got real hot this weekend, so the beauty of overlanding and our rig setup is we can load up in about an hour and hit the road. So enjoy the video. We're gonna go find some woods, hopefully some terrain, maybe even a lake. If you enjoyed the video, like it, give us a subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel. Thanks for watching. Get in the car.
Why didn't you say?
Load them up, girls.
Dad, why didn't you say?
Load them up.
See you on the trail. Why didn't you say see you on the trail?
Because when I see There you go. There you go. You're fine. She goes. There you go. Good job, good job. Turn my way. Turn it my way. All right, hit it. There you go. Straight. There you go. Wait, hold on. We're getting up this. Back in the pines. Oh, that's not good. My GoPro. Keep going. Just keep going, babe. Lost a sidestep. It's unfortunate. And we lost my phone.
But it's in the car somewhere.
It's in the car somewhere. Bluetooth is still connected, so we're pressing on.
It worked! We're mashing in the mashing. Can I say hi? Yeah. Hi guys. How do you like it, Scarlett? Turn it to you. No. Madison, we're just at camping and we're at camping. Let's do this.
Okay, can you just plug it in now? All right. All right, we made it up here. We are on the top of the hill. That was a crazy trail. I think it's almost 11 o'clock right now. Camp's all set up. Regardless though, we made it up here. You know, it was a nasty trail. Didn't really get stuck. It was just that one little obstacle. You know, the line was tough and it just slammed a little bit too hard. But nothing that can't be fixed. So we're gonna get some good rest tonight in the rooftop tent, bed the girls down, and have a fun day tomorrow.
Hi, Scarlett. How's your headache feeling? No, Scott, say that to Mama. Okay, how's your headache feeling?
Alright guys, pretty crazy night last night. Obviously we got in super late. We did most of our show riding in the dark, just kind of the way it worked out. Friday night, just trying to get out here to this beautiful scene. It's just amazing. We got here to the top of the hill. We made it through, but some parts in the vehicle didn't. We finally did some damage. We lost the driver side step and we lost the rear bumper. So it's unfortunate. I knew it was gonna happen. Bummer. Now we got to get new rock sliders and new rear bumper. So anyways though, Expedtion did great. Obviously, you know, couldn't really see the trail at night. I was kind of running out in front, spotting Cassie while she was driving through. She did amazing. Waking up this morning and just looking back the way we came in, I was like, holy cow, that trail was narrow. So
Quad trail.
we're gonna head out this morning. There's a little kind of a water area, like a reservoir off to my right. We're gonna head down the hill, try and find it.
I can see it.
Yep, it's down there.
Yep, I can see just a little bit of blue.
Yep, just a little bit. So
Just a little bit.
So playing some water, keep doing some more riding today. Stay tuned.
And make sure to like, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
So last night, we drove through here in the middle of the night. I mean, look at this. This is just crazy. Flashlights, and that's about it. We made it up there. Now we're gonna hit it during the day.
It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
Okay, go slow, slow. Slow. Coming down. Okay, straight. Slow. Okay, my way. Right there. Hold that line straight. There you go. Nice.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
All right, we made it here to the lake. We were way up there on that ridge to the left. We could barely see some of the water from our campsite, so made it down here. Got to see that trail that we came up last night. I can't believe we came down. We went up that thing last night. That thing was crazy. But yeah, just having a fun time. Let the kids play in the water. Enjoy the rest of the day. All right, we're all set. Wrapped up the day. Had a great night camping. Did some awesome off-roading. Found a great new campsite. Yeah, the weather was perfect too. I mean, it was just cold enough at night where we needed a sleeping bag, but it wasn't like crazy cold, so that was awesome. You know, that's just the beauty of our setup, is being able to just pack up a cooler, throw on a couple odds and ends, and we're on the road for a 1-2 night getaway. And that's why we're doing this. Yeah, we did have some carnage. Like I said earlier, we had the rear bumper get ripped off. Almost. It's about 50% off. And then one of the side steps is broke, sheared off. So it's unlucky, but those two parts need to get replaced anyway, so just kind of enhances that decision-making process. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, enjoy the rest of our videos, and thanks for our support. Feel free to check out our website. We got some awesome hats, t-shirts. Check those out, and thanks again.